My name is Matthew Mwenga. I'm the Managing Director of Ren Engineering Solutions. We are an engineering and energy services company. We focus on helping manufacturers reduce the energy costs related to their compressed air. So compressed air, for those who may not know, is a key utility for manufacturers. In fact, it's used in over 90% of manufacturing plants. Anyone who has been to a petrol station to put air in their tires knows what a compressor is. Another simple example of a compressor is pump to put air in your football or bicycle tires. Some of the key applications for compressed air include process applications, automation, where manufacturing is made to run faster, and power applications, where compressed air is used to lift and place things. So in 2022, REN became aware of a program within the Growth Africa known as Project Seize. And this project's focus was on the circular economy. Now, one of the goals that we've always had, in fact, our strategic goals are around energy efficiency, and the program really fit in very well with what we were doing. So as a result of that, we joined the program, and in fact, we learned a lot about the circular economy, and we were able to really flesh out our vision and ideas around the circular economy. And part of that process at the end was we identified some crucial items that we needed to invest in. And Project Seize was able to assist us to ensure that we were able to invest in those items.
We were incurring a lot of costs with our compressed air equipment, and we invited them to carry out a compressed air audit. This audit revealed that we were losing a lot of money with efficiencies because we were running a pretty old model of compressors. And it's from this audit that they recommended we shift to variable speed drive compressors. And we procured a new variable speed drive compressor unit. And immediately we realized up to 50% savings in our compressed air cost. As
a company, our focus on circular economy came from two fronts. We believe that most of the time, the circular economy is focused on recycling. But another aspect of circular economy is eliminating waste, ensuring that there is no waste in the first place. And that's where we come in terms of energy. It is said that the best energy is the energy that is not used. So we had two-pronged focus on the circular economy. One was to eliminate energy waste using our four-step process, where we start out with an energy audit. We then analyze the data to find areas where energy is lost. From there, we are able to give recommendations on energy savings initiatives, implement them, and lastly, ensure that we monitor the savings to ensure that they stay over the long run. The second initiative that we had was focused around ensuring the reliability of equipment so that it lasts longer, right? So improving the lifetime of equipment. We see that a lot of times equipment that could last 20 years lasts 10 years because it's not maintained properly and the condition is not monitored. So our estimate is 150 tons a year. So for the last 4 years, that would make it 600 tons of CO2 equivalent. And our estimate comes from the energy audits, the projects that we've implemented, and the savings that we've seen by implementing efficiency projects for our clients. Key lessons that I'd pick, number one, is you need to spend time to work on your business as the founder of any business. It's very critical. Sometimes it seems like a distraction from your main work, but it is not. It's crucial. The second key lesson was to network with other entrepreneurs. The Growth Africa Accelerator allowed us the opportunity to meet entrepreneurs from different sectors of the economy. And it was interesting to see that a lot of the challenges we face are very similar. Really helped us become a more agile and more customer-friendly, customer-centric engineering company. And I think that has been very crucial to our growth.